We think of ourselves at Rapid as a robotic workforce company. There are three things that really stand out as something that's different. It's speed, it's service and support, and it's a subscription business model. So with Rapid Robotics, we are really working to be able to close that gap between the labor shortage and the rate of robotic deployments by deploying robots that are ready to work in weeks. What you're seeing here, this is an application for an automotive supplier. This is a center console component. So the Cartesian robot is dropping it down into this nested tray. The robot will then pick it up, put it into the laser etching machine. It then moves it to this air blow-off station and then over to a conveyor. You can see this custom end-of-arm tool here on the robot. It has pinchers that will actually take this out of the laser etching machine and clip off those extra components. So this is a multi-operation robot that saved the customer hundreds of thousands of dollars versus, a traditional automation solution. This particular application, we have 3 industrial robots. These are plasma treating syringes. So we need 3 robots for the throughput here because they're not only being plasma treated, pad printed, but they're also being inspected. So this center robot is picking up the syringes, putting them into a plasma treatment, and handing them off into these side-by-side nests where the secondary robots are picking those up, pad printing them, and then taking them to that inspection station. So this customer has been very successfully able to increase his throughput and win new business.